Welcome to Salesforce, the world's #1 CRM solution. In this video, we'll give you the 411 on everything you need to get ready for Lightning Experience. The readiness check is the first step in getting your Salesforce org ready for the move. You can get to the readiness check from the Lightning Experience Migration Assistant. Click Get Started. If you're ready to run the readiness check, first click the Check Readiness tab. Then click Check Readiness. You'll receive a magical report by email, which you can also access from Salesforce files. In this report, you'll find a veritable smorgasbord of information and recommendations about your org that helps admins like you to plan your transition to Lightning Experience. It's easy to run the report, which is swell since we update the report every release. So if it's been a while, you can easily run it again. Also to note, the readiness check might not assess all your features, so mosey on over to the Help and Training portal to see a list of stuff we do assess. Keep in mind that we might report on features that you don't use. Take some time to read through the report and decide which features you need to prepare for Lightning Experience, and which your users don't, well, use anymore. It's understandable if you don't think you're ready to move to Lightning Experience, but guess what? You are! Once you have a handle on what you need to prepare, making the transition isn't too bad. And if you don't know where to start, you can set up a free consultation with a Lightning Experience expert. We'll email you details about that after you run the readiness check. When you're ready to move on over, you can take advantage of the Migration Assistant to kick off your rollout. Here, you'll find everything you need to make the move. You can preview Lightning Experience in your Salesforce instance, enable new features, and set up users who are ready. The readiness report helps you determine who that is. Again, this whole process is a journey, and it shouldn't be scary. And really, with Salesforce, there is no risk. Your users can switch back to Salesforce Classic if needed. What's more, you can turn on Lightning Experience by department, business unit, or user profile. We hope you enjoy connecting to your customers in a whole new way with Lightning Experience. If you'd like to learn more about moving to Lightning Experience, check out these videos in this series. Thanks for using Salesforce.